Thanks for staying tuned to Beyond. I'm Samiksha Srivastava, tracking all the big stories over the next half an hour. First up, as always, the headlines. One Indian Army soldier has been killed during the ongoing encounter in Kashmir's Kishtwar district. The Indian Army announced that he died last night during the ongoing counter-terror operation in the valley. The death toll from the fire at a shopping plaza in Karachi has risen to 11. Search operation is still on for about 60 people reported missing. The fire at Karachi's Gulf Plaza was extinguished late on Sunday, almost 24 hours after it erupted. President Donald Trump sends a letter to Norway's Prime Minister linking his threats to Greenland to being snubbed for the Nobel Peace Prize. Trump says that since Norway did not give him the prize, he no longer feels an obligation to think purely of peace. Syrian President Ahmad al-Shara has announced a ceasefire with the Kurdish-led Syrian Democratic Forces after days of fighting. The leader of the Kurdish forces reportedly agreed to the truce to prevent an all-out war with the advancing government troops. The Moscow-appointed head of the disputed Donetsk People's Republic says that Russian forces are 30 kilometers away from the city of Sloviansk. The Russian official adds that fierce fighting is underway as Moscow's forces try and capture all of Donbas. At least 39 people have been killed and 120 injured after a train collision in southern Spain. A high-speed train travelling from Malaga to Madrid derailed and was then hit by another train. It is Spain's worst rail accident since 2013. Bangladesh's chief advisor Muhammad Yunus downplays the communal strife in the country, claims that while 645 criminal incidents involved Bangladesh's minority communities in 2025, only 71 of them had a communal angle. European stocks open lower as Trump announces new tariffs on 8 countries over Greenland. German, French and UK stocks face the deepest decline as investors grow jittery over renewed trade wars between the US and Europe.